When I say the Bahamas is full of walking miracles after Hurricane Dorian, it includes those who walk with four legs too. During the storm, the water kept rising into the Humane Society of Grand Bahama.
And it started coming into the building, started getting so high, we try to save some animals, try to get them on higher ground. Then it see like we had to try to save ourselves.
Life in there, honestly, because the water was coming so fast and it was rising so high, this was our only chance.
6 workers who had stayed behind for the storm ended up in the attic to escape that storm surge, while down below, hundreds of animals were left behind, including some of their own.
Crying and screaming, and we know that they needed help, and we couldn't help them. That was the most heartbreaking.
It took the entire night before the shelter workers climbed down to something they never expected to see.
I met my dog trying to hold up my 2 Shih Tzus from drowning, and she could have saved herself, but she noticed that they were in danger, so she was at the bottom blowing them up and trying to hold them up on her 2 shoulders.
This is our hero that saved our babies.
Sadly, Libby the pit bull mix nor anyone else could do more. Over 70 shelter dogs, around 30 dogs that were being boarded, and 7 cats drowned.
It's a heavy burden, and we're all just trying to push through.
With no pet-friendly human shelters on the islands, and after surviving several hurricanes safely, it was assumed the Humane Society would be okay.
We were not in a mandatory evacuation zone. We've boarded animals through 3 other hurricanes, including Matthew, with no flooding here whatsoever. So we knew the surge was going to be bigger, but we had no idea it would do what it did here.
When the Humane Society built this property in 2008, they filled the land 10 feet higher. The buildings, they put those 6 to 8 feet above that. Shows just how high this surge was.
So we thought we were clear, and we weren't.
Hurricane Dorian was historic in its intensity, flattening and flooding nearly entire islands. The only thing I saw stronger in the Bahamas,
She loves her. She loves them.
was the will to live. In Freeport, Bahamas, I'm Jonathan Petramala for AccuWeather.
Hi, hello. My friend, where are you rubbing